Did Santa come?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Gussie, where's your stocking? Where's the stocking that says GUS on it?
Oh, wow. Right here.
What do you see?
Oh, my lightning shoe.
Oh,
My lightning shoe.
you're kidding.
I found my lightning shoe.
Oh,
Are you
that's
so
cool.
excited?
Wow. Gussie, can you show us your shoes?
Where's your shoes, Gus? Show Nana your shoes.
Here, Ollie. Oh, yeah.
Oh, Ollie. Look what Ollie found.
Boy.
Oh, boy.
It's a shopping cart.
Yeah. Oh,
You're welcome. Santa was so nice. Oh,
here.
Santa put him in there pretty tight.
Go show Nana. Show Nana.
Take off the tag and no string,
Okay.
please.
Okay.